Hi, welcome back to another Dr. Shanté video. This video is basically sharing what I do for general health maintenance. Well, in addition to just eating healthy, I take supplements. I take them habitually. The first supplement on the list is a multivitamin. A good multivitamin from A to zinc. That is what I take. I take it in the form of a hair, skin, and nail vitamin, but a multivitamin is suffice. The next thing is I take omega-3. I don't do the fish oil cap. I do this in a liquid because this is one of the 3 macronutrients that we need, right? We need carbohydrates, proteins, fatty acids. Okay, that's how I do that. In addition to taking a probiotic, I take prebiotics. I may take the prebiotics more frequently than the probiotics, and I can go over later the why to that. And I also take digestive enzymes. Those are the main things I take. Additional supplements that I take a superfood powder, and I have this much of water inside of the bottle before I put like 1 or 2 teaspoons of that powder in there. I'll make a separate video talking about it because it has so much benefit, but this is also something that I use on a daily basis. The other thing that I do, and I'm going to actually show you all this in the extended video where I use water, and I usually drink it out of this mug. I heat the water, of course, to almost like the temperature of which you would drink tea. This is my dad's mug. I like to drink it out of this now, but I'm leaving. I'm going to go. So I'm going to put it in this container here, and I'm going to mix everything in here. And so I'm going to show you guys what that is, and that's it. I'll be back. All right, product is complete. This is warm water, so it is something, but I gotta go. It's on the go for me. Again, remember, usually this is in the morning, and I'll have this inside of this mug, and I'm just sitting there going over email or doing my affirmations, and that's typically what I do in a nutshell. So I have let you all in on Dr. Shanté's secrets, her daily habits, the regimens that I use, and I'm telling you, this is something that would definitely transform your life. I've even had friends that told me that in addition to what you've seen me put inside, like they've added mint. I've yet to try mint, but I think I will, so I am always open to suggestions, and we can make some things together. So please share with me in the comments any ideas and your thoughts on this. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.